Welcome to week 4 of Herzing's IS112 computer networks. In this demonstration we're going to do a remote connectivity, some demos on that. During this presentation we will demo remote connectivity to the desktop and remote connectivity to the network. Let's begin. Dell's Desktop Authority Remote Management, or DARM, has the following advantages. Only the authorized or technology department may use DARM. It is secured so that only members of the technology department in this case can access desktops remotely. When receiving help through Desktop Authority Remote Management, employees will see who is providing the support. DARM provides a chat feature to help employees that do not have a phone nearby. And first, a technology user would need to contact the technology department. Next, the technology department would then begin the remote access process. You'll see from the above screen that appears there when they are being remote controlled. And you see right here, see the prompt where you have to give permission. Okay, so a prompt will appear on your screen stating that this person requests to take over your PC. You may click on yes, or depending on how it's set up, it could be a wait of 10 seconds or more, and the access will be granted or not granted. And this is noted in the screenshot above. And in this case, again, they granted access, and then it shows who is remoting this PC. So there's that catch right there, audit trail. Please note, if you do not see the above screen for remote management and some other user is trying to remote your PC, please report this to the tech office immediately by emailing the appropriate group. You will know when the remote management session is complete when the DA remote management window no longer appears on your screen. See example above. You see right here, there's no more little prompt showing that it's being remote managed. Sometimes you may not be near a phone, so you may need to, you'll see the above screen. And it's the chat window. Just click on the bottom window and type in your response. In this case, someone's asking, can I take over your PC right now or reboot it? And they say this is fine. They prompt saying what can or cannot be done. Once you do it, all you do is click on send and it shows right up. There's other parts of this remote management suite, and it depends on what type of product you have, but this one you can actually look to see what type of PC you're working with, and this is this is some of the tools behind the scenes. The computer's model is under the CPU, and you look at the CPU, and it's an AMD Athlon dual-core processor 4050E, which is an Optiplex 740 model from Dell. To move files without logging into the remote desktop computer, sample copy and program template files to a remote PC or a new template. You do not have to interrupt the user. You can go to login and then do a file transfer. Right here you see the option for file transfer. On the left hand side will be your files, on the right hand side will be remote PC's files. So over here are the files from the remote PC. You can then locate the files you wish to transfer and then right click and select move. After you have selected on the right hand side which files you wish to put to move. You can also remove old INI files or other files that you no longer need. This can be accomplished by right clicking and selecting delete. So you can do a copy, a move, a delete. Common thing may be this case copying some files over to the remote PC. Go to the appropriate files, select them on your source PC, this window here, then copy them over to the destination PC. Okay, security is a big concern with remote access. Make sure that whatever product that you use is set up to only grant access to the desired groups. Okay, and you see in this case it's the technology department and system admins or domain admins. And you see there's options. It depends on the product again, but make sure you set it up securely. Okay, now we're going to go over remote connectivity to the network. This is how to allow an account to have access remotely to a network via the OpenVPN server solution using the OpenVPN client installation. This provides a secure remote access. If you have a computer that doesn't have OpenVPN software, you need to log in and install the software. The software will download and prompt you to install it. As you see in the screen here, you can just run it, and then it'll ask you what do you want. Do you want to run the software? And then you give it permission. It'll install it. Once the software is installed, it will automatically connect. Normal use of the client works as the above illustrates. You have the client software on your system tray, you go to it, you grant permission, you type in username and password, hit go, and then you connect. On the server side, you can restrict who has access and much more. Okay, so under the OpenVPN server, the access server, you can restrict who can remote access into the network. In the above example, you can see who has recently accessed the network remotely from the OpenVPN server. So it has a great audit trail. In summary, we went over remote connectivity to the desktop and remote connectivity to the network. Key thing for both of them is to secure them properly and to use them in a standard way. We have now completed the week 4 presentation for IS112 computer networks dealing with remote connectivity to the desktop and server. As always, try and apply what we learned today with remote connectivity outside of this classroom.